Let's fly the airplane! Baby! Where are you? Come on! I'm looking for you so long! Where is he gone? Huh? You there? Anybody inside? Yes, I'm here. I'm busy making my toy plane. Hey, Dolly, why are you here? Baby, what are you doing? I'm going to launch my new airplane toy. Wanna see that? It's ready. Look, my toy plane. Wow, it's so nice. Baby, can I play with you? Of course, Dolly. Come, let's fly it. All set. Are you ready? Yes, yes. Ready, steady, go! Look! Wow, it's going up. Go left. Baby, fly this side! Oh no! There's a tree! Uh-oh! Where did it go? Oh, it's stuck! Huh? What do we do now? I don't know. Can we get it back? There is a way! Let's shake the tree and make it fall! Baby, push! Push! Ha-ha! It's moving! Oh no! Oh, my toy! It's all broken! Baby, wait! Huh? I have an idea! Huh? My toy! It's back? Yes! Come on, let's play! Fly there! A little lower! Oh, it's not working! Uh-oh, it's falling! Again? How can we take it back?